Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about Coderabbit, an AI-powered code review tool that claims to make your pull requests faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Let's see if it's worth adding to your workflow. What it is. Coderabbit is a GitHub-integrated AI assistant designed to automate and improve code reviews. Its main goal is to save time for developers and teams by catching issues early, suggesting improvements, and making pull requests easier to manage. How it works. Once connected to your GitHub repository, Coderabbit automatically reviews pull requests, adds inline comments, suggests code optimizations, and even answers follow-up questions directly in the PR thread. It uses AI models trained on programming best practices, so it's not just checking syntax. It looks for logic, style, and maintainability issues too. Who it's for. Perfect for software teams, solo developers, or open source maintainers who want to speed up reviews without sacrificing quality. What people are saying. Positive feedback highlights its accuracy, time savings, and how it reduces back and forth during reviews. Some users mention it helps junior developers learn faster. On the flip side, others note occasional irrelevant suggestions and that it's not a complete replacement for human review. Pros. Integrates directly with GitHub, speeds up review cycles and reduces workload, helps maintain consistent coding standards. Cons. May give suggestions that aren't context-aware, requires paid plans for larger teams or advanced features. Recommendation. So here's my take. Coderabbit is a great productivity booster for most development teams. Use it as a helpful assistant, but keep a human in the loop for critical code decisions. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on Coderabbit in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.